Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Hey, man, we out to another road trip, man. We just stopping, getting some gas here. And we're gonna head it out to Galveston, Texas for the Texas Lone Star Rally. Hey, man, we'll see you on the road. What's happening, man?
How you doing?
What's up, baby? Hey, man.
I texted you this morning.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh,
man, I was out of there last night. Oh, he got the food right here. That's my sister in the truck right there.
Okay.
We got plenty of food. Don't worry about nothing.
Where you at?
Right there.
Go. High booth?
Yeah. That's your first time seeing me, huh?
Yeah. So, yeah, man, I met my cousin here, back here. He got all the bikes all around. Gonna holler at him. Hold on.
Yo, what up? I want y'all, this is my cousin.
Hey, what's that, man?
That's my home, that's baby Rick.
What's up, baby? How you doing? What's happening, baby?
All right, rocking, man.
All right, see? Man, that dope clean, boy. The color clean on that.
Y'all ready? We out here, baby. We out here. We out here, baby. Right. Who is that? Hey, man, what's up, guys?
Yeah, this me right here. Yes, baby. Yeah, you ain't know I rode, huh?
No.
Yeah, this my cuz right here. This my what's up, cuz?
I
Right?
did not know you was out here.
I didn't know you were coming either.
I'm cooking for everybody.
Oh, you cooking?
Yeah.
I gotta meet some other people, but I gotta find out where y'all gonna be set up at. But they rolling. Hey, did I mention that they were rolling? They rolling deep, baby. They are out here. This is my boy Hayabusa right here. I'm gonna have to get him over here so he can tell you a little bit more about it. My cuz, my blood cuz. That baby's sweet. Look at this baby right here. Sweet. And that white road glide right there. Hey, and I'm gonna show you something special. Yeah, that's special right there. We on the seawall, baby. We on the seawall. Get y'all don't fall off this cliff right here. Trying to get some content. Did I say they were rolling, man? They sliding, baby. They are out here. All right, we found a better spot. And they setting up chase truck here with all the equipment and the queue. They finna fire that up in a second. We all over here. We on the ground, baby. We on the ground. We on the ground, baby. They out here, baby. They are out here. Yeah, they out here. In the hood.
You know,
A Bentley in the hood. Look at this dude. He was in the line.
Yeah, a friend of mine. Well, you know.
This is a 135. This is a man. This is a brand new son of a gun here. Wow. I got to get a video. Hey man, how's it going? Yeah, I'm just admiring this bike, man. No, this is the start. Just the start. How y'all doing, man?
Y'all all right?
Oh yeah. That joke. Hey, what's up, baby? What you doing here, man? You said you was gonna make it.
Yeah, baby.
How was your trip, man?
Good, man.
It's my boy Dave.
How's the business going,
It's
Dave?
Kelly B.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
He got what that? Oh, you ain't on the gold wing.
I'm on today, baby.
He on cone today, baby. Look at here. He got that beautiful green gold wing on my channel.
Was he with you?
Yeah. Well, he the one hosting the ride.
Okay.
Yeah, he hosted the ride.
All right.
Let me get Kong on here. They're in hammer carbon fiber. Look at that.
Yeah, I know it.
That's nice, boy.
It's got air shocks on it.
Yeah, this is a bad boy. His gold wing nice too. He had the gold wing last weekend, so now he with the.
Yeah, I decided. I just got that new cam put in here.
Oh yeah.
And I got that Thundermax tune on here, so I had to put some miles on here and break it in.
Okay. Gonna fire it up. Lone Star Rally 2025, baby. Yeah, people waiting in line, man. They want to get a picture in front of this Lone Star 2025 here. Progressive. Good. They out here, boy.
They have on a truck.
Look at that paint job.
Yeah.
That's a paint job. Huh? That's a paint job. Look at that. Ooh, look at that brown one down there. I'm gonna go see that one.
Let's get everybody's hands clapping out there.
Look at this baby. Wow. I don't know what size wheel. I don't know what size wheel that is.
Sevens, maybe.
Good grief. Yeah, but look at the paint. Look at the seat all custom down.
I saw that.
Now that's a bike. Can you even ride this bike? Nice paint job on it. Nice. Look at this baby. Got the fishtails on there.
Oh, this is nice.
Great Wheeler. Look at that color combination, boy. Look at that. Yeah. That joker is beautiful. Got the hat, the helmet to match. Look at that, boy. It's glittering. It's so beautiful, it's glittering. All right, what you think about this bike? But they've been all around the world. And they're running out of place for stickers. Running out of place for stickers. They got them everywhere. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere. One of these, the Harley rep.
I know
Harley rep.
Oh, is this you?
Oh, that's beautiful, man.
Where?
So what size rim is that front? 26, 26-inch rim on this baby. Look at that. There's a man. It's his bike. I love this color right here, man. I love that color, boy.
That blue one.
Huh? Oh yeah, that's a dark side.
Wow.
Them jokers be all lit up at night. Nice.
It's nice. And they got the steering wheel on.
Huh? Where you headed?
low, you can still hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, go, go.